Hi everyone, I'm Josh from USCutter, and in today's video I'm going to introduce you to the Ghost toner system. That's important because this is going to allow you to have white toner printing with your normal desktop printer.
The system works by removing the black toner cartridge and replacing it with a white toner cartridge, as shown here in the larger tabloid printer, the CP5225. We also offer this for smaller 8.5 by 11 inch printers so that you can have an entry-level white toner system for under $1,000. This will allow you to start printing all types of things with your desktop printer. Start printing transfers for dark colored clothing, printing transfers for dark colored mugs, and of course you can use your printer to print all types of things including stationery and then even clear labels.
Ghost also offers cyan, yellow, magenta, and black toners as well. These toner cartridges have been specially formulated with the transfer process in mind, so they're going to give you the best result possible when using this transfer method that requires high heat and high pressure. You might be wondering what type of upkeep you will have to do with these toner cartridges, and the answer is none. Let's take this very dirty white toner cartridge that I shipped back from the trade show as an example. You can clearly see that the toner is all over the cartridge as well as the drum. No worries though, because the printer automatically cleans the cartridge each time you put it in. After the printer finishes cleaning the cartridge, you can pull it out and see that the area in use on the drum is nice and clean and ready to print. Here's an example of a single pass print that I created with that same dirty toner cartridge that you saw just before. It seems pretty clear that I don't know what to do with my hands, so we'll just freeze frame and zoom in here. You can also use the Ghost toner system to create photorealistic transfers for t-shirts, hard surfaces, and all types of things like you see right here.
The first print will be with the cyan, magenta, yellow, and black toners inserted inside the printer, while the second print will have you replace the black toner cartridge with the white toner cartridge, and then anything that you want printed white will be black on the computer screen. You have two ways that you can do this. The first is to run the transfer through the printer twice and applying the white layer on the second pass through. Because we have to run the transfer through the printer twice, we will have to adjust the white toner layer to adjust any registration issues that may occur. The second method is to apply the white toner layer onto the substrate first and then apply the cyan, yellow, magenta, and black layer right on top of the lining and lining it up by sight. Be sure to check out our support page as well as our YouTube videos for more detailed videos on this process. If you have any questions about the Ghost or any of the laser transfer products, you can contact me directly at sales@uscutter.com. Thank you again for taking the time to watch this and have a wonderful day.